Hello dear super viewers. Today we are going to practice the correct pronunciation of IPA, and from IPA we are going to take 24 consonant sounds to practice today, and here is 44 sounds. And you have a question right now, right? That what is IPA? Yes, IPA is International Phonetic Alphabet. Oh, you have another question. Yes, from where I have learned it? Yes, I have learned it from the course English Pronunciation and Presentation course for teachers implemented by ATI and TESOL Bangladesh. Yes, and there is our honorable phonetainer Muhammad Yasir, the founder of TESOL Bangladesh. So, English will be learned by whole Bangladesh from now. Let's start from us, right? Okay. Pa, 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 pin. Oh, you are thinking that why I'm saying pa, 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 5 times. Yes, actually, we are going to practice it with 6-bit systems. Okay, what is bit? Yes, this is 1 bit. This is 2 bit. So, we are going to practice with 6-bit systems so that we can remember the sounds accurately and sustainable way, right? Okay, let's start again. Pa, 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 pin. Okay, I'm going to show you the pin. Yes, here is the pin. Again, pa, 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 pin. Va, 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 ba, ba, bin. Again, ba, 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 bin. Okay, then ta, 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 ten. Ta, 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 ten. Okay, then da, 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 den. Oh, what is den? Okay, going to show you. Yes, here is den. So, I can practice with me. Da, 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 den. Ka, 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 call. Ka, 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 call. Here is call. Okay, then ga sound. Ga, 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 girl. Ga, 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 girl. Okay, then fa sound. Fa, 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 fan. Fa, 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 fan. Okay, then va sound. Va, 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 van. Va, 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 van. Okay, then s sound. S, 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 see. S, 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 see. S, 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 see. Okay, now ja sound. Ja, 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 ji. Ja, 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 ji. Okay, now sha sound. Sha, 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 shall. Sha, 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 shall. Okay, now ra sound. Ra, ra. Okay, ra, 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 usual. Ra, 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 usual. Okay, now cha sound. Cha, 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 cherry. Cha, 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 cherry. Okay, now ja sound. Ja, 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 jerry. Ja, 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 jerry. Okay, now tha sound. Yes. Tha, 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 think. Tha, 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 thought. Okay, now the sound. Da, 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 this. that. Okay, now yeah sound. Yeah, 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 yes, yeah, 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 yes. Okay, now what sound? What, why? Water. Okay, now ma sound. Mate. Mate. Okay, now na sound. Neat. Neat. Okay, now ing sound. E. Yes, ing for English. And we also found sing, ring. Okay, just this type of a word which have ing. Okay, so ing, English. Ing, English. Okay, then la, light. Light. Can you see the light? Yes. Okay, now right. Right. Okay, now the last consonant sound, and that is ha. Yes, ha, height. Height. Okay, so we have practiced the 24 consonant sounds of IPA and various 44 sounds, and other 20 sounds we are going to practice in next video. Okay, so don't forget to watch this video and also share this video and also to practice it again and again. Okay, so thank you so much for watching me. Goodbye. Assalamu alaikum. Take care.